Experiencing blurry or glitching front camera on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Many users have reported issues with focus, exposure, and glitches, often linked to software bugs or app conflicts. The front camera system uses a 12 megapixel sensor with advanced features like phase detection autofocus and true depth technology. Problems often arise from autofocus failures in low light, software conflicts affecting the camera, or exposure algorithms misjudging light. Let's dive into how to fix these issues. Start by ensuring your iPhone 17 is updated to the latest iOS version, currently 18.1. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. Next, try a force restart to recalibrate the sensors. Hold the power button and either volume button for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. For app-specific issues, reset the affected app. Go to Settings, iPhone Storage, and offload the app to clear its data. Finally, ensure the camera lens is clean. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or smudges from the front camera. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support for further diagnostics.